Now let's solve this problem. 1 plus tan A divided by sin A plus 1 plus cot A divided by cos A is equal to 2 into secant A plus cosecant A. To solve this problem, first let me write down the LHS. Solution. What is our LHS? Our LHS is 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A divided by sin A plus 1 plus cot A divided by cos A. Now look at this 1 plus tan A. This 1 plus tan A, I will simplify that side, okay? 1 plus tan A (1) plus this tan A, I can write it as sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A, right? Now look at this. This is numerator. Nothing in the denominator means we can write it as 1. Now take the LCM of 1 and cos A. What it will become? Cos A. Cos A is the LCM. Therefore, it will become cos A plus sin A. Right? Cos A plus sin A. Okay? Now this 1 plus tan A, I can write it as cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. Isn't it? That one I will write here. 1 plus tan A can be written as cos A plus sin A divided by cos A whole divided by sin A. Whole divided by sin A. Okay? Then for this plus, I will write here plus. Now this 1 plus cot A, I will simplify that side. 1 plus cot A. Now here, 1 plus. This cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. In the same way, in the numerator we have 1. Nothing in the denominator means we can write as 1. Take the LCM of 1 and sin A. What is the LCM? Sin A is the LCM, right? Sin A is the LCM. Then what it will become? Sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A. Means 1 plus cot A can be written in the form of sin A plus cos A divided by sin A. Isn't it? This 1 plus cot A, I will write it as sin A plus cos A divided by sin A whole divided by cos A. Whole divided by cos A. Now look at this one. Numerator, denominator. Numerator. Nothing in the denominator means I can write it as 1. And here also. Numerator, denominator. Numerator and this is nothing in the denominator means I can write it as 1. Now, I will simplify this one, that side. First I am going to rub that. You can copy down. Cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. Cos A plus sin A divided by cos A whole divided by sin A by 1. It can be written as cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into this 1. It will go to the numerator, isn't it? Divided by sin A. Then what it will become? It will become cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into sin A. Right? Therefore, this term, this whole term, I can write it as cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into sin A. For this plus, let me write plus. In the same way, we will simplify this whole term that side. I am going to rub that. Sin A plus cos A divided by sin A. Sin A plus cos A divided by sin A whole divided by cos A by 1. See, we can simplify it as sin A plus cos A divided by sin A into this 1, it will go to the numerator, 1 by cos A. Then what it will become? Sin A plus cos A, sin A plus cos A divided by sin A into cos A, sin A into cos A, right? Therefore, this whole term, this whole term, we can write it as sin A plus cos A divided by sin A into cos A. Okay, let me rub that. Is equal to, now cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into sin A. Split this term. Split this term means we can write it as cos A divided by cos A into sin A, right? Cos A divided by cos A into sin A plus sin A divided by cos A into sin A, cos A into sin A plus sin A divided by sin A into cos A, sin A divided by sin A into cos A plus cos A divided by sin A into cos A. Okay, we have splitted the, okay, now look at this, cos A, it will get cancelled, right? Then what is left here? 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A plus sin A, it will get cancelled. That is 1 by cos A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A, it will get cancelled. 1 plus cos A plus 1 by cos A plus cos A, it will get cancelled. 1 by sin A. We know that 1 by sin A, we can write it as cosecant A, isn't it? Cosecant A plus 1 by cos A, we can write it as secant A plus 1 by cos A we can write it as secant A plus 1 by sin A we can write it as cosecant A. Now look at this. Cosecant A plus cosecant A. What it will become? 2 cosecant A. 2 cosecant A plus secant A plus secant A. What it will become? 2 secant A. Isn't it? Now this 2 cosecant A plus 2 secant A, I can write it as 2 secant A plus 2 cosecant A. No problem. Just you are interchanging the place. In the same way we will write 1 plus 2. It can be written as 2 plus 1. In the same way we have written this. Now 2 secant A plus 2 cosecant A. What is common in both? 2 it is common in both. So take 2 common. Then what it will become? 2 into secant A plus cosecant A. This is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.